Welcome friends, today we learn slow English sentences together.
I should wake early today and start something new.
Ravi, wake up, beta. Morning is beautiful today outside.
Just 5 minutes more, please. I feel extremely tired.
No, I must wake up now and start today.
The morning sky looks so calm and beautiful. This new day feels so fresh and full of hope.
A clean room helps me feel focused and happy.
Time to brush teeth and freshen up myself now. Cold water makes me feel fresh and active now.
This shower feels refreshing and makes me energetic now.
Good morning, Ravi. Let's stay positive today. Keep smiling.
Clean clothes always make me feel comfortable every day.
Fresh air makes my body feel active and strong.
Stretching helps my body feel relaxed and flexible daily.
I will do jumping jacks with full energy now.
Push-ups are hard, but they make me stronger.
Deep breathing makes my mind calm and peaceful always.
I feel strong, positive, and ready for the day. Good morning, Mom. I feel fresh and active today.
Good morning, Ravi. Have some warm tea to drink.
Here is your tea, drink it slowly.
Thank you, Mom. It smells really good.
This tea tastes amazing and feels very relaxing now.
What are your plans for today, Ravi? Tell me. College first, then I will go to work later.
Now I will study English for 1 hour today. Reading stories helps me learn new words every day.
I will repeat sentences to improve my speaking skills.
Writing new words helps me remember them very easily. I feel confident after completing my morning study today.
Ravi, breakfast is ready. Come and eat with me.
Yes, Mom, I'm coming right now. Just wait.
I feel hungry. Breakfast time is my favorite today.
Good morning, everyone. Let us enjoy breakfast together now.
Yes, everything is ready. Please start eating your breakfast.
I'm excited. Everything looks really delicious and fresh.
Ravi, how are your studies going these days now?
They are going well. I am working hard daily. This breakfast is very tasty. I really enjoy it.
I'm so glad, Ravi. Eat up.
We should always stay positive and work hard daily.
Yes, discipline helps us live a better life always.
I understand and will follow your advice every day. Do you have any tests coming soon, Ravi? Tell?
Yes, I have one test scheduled for next week. I will prepare well and give my best performance.
We are proud of you. Keep doing great work.
Yes, Ravi. Stay focused and never lose confidence.
Thank you, Mom. Breakfast was really delicious for me.
You are welcome, Ravi. I am glad you liked.
Now I will pack my bag and get ready. Let me check everything before I leave home now. I should wear my shoes properly before leaving now.
I look neat and ready for my day today.
Yes, I feel confident and ready for today. Bye, Mom and Dad. I am leaving now today.
Take care, Ravi, and have a wonderful day ahead.
Stay focused, Ravi, and always remember your true.
God bless you, Ravi. Stay safe and strong always.
Have a great day, Ravi. Make us proud today.
The morning feels fresh as I walk outside today. Everything looks beautiful and full of life today outside. Seeing people busy motivates me to work harder. I will wait patiently for the bus to arrive.
The bus has arrived. Let me get inside quickly.
I got a seat and can relax comfortably now. Listening to music makes this journey enjoyable and relaxing. Let me practice English sentences silently in my mind. Daily practice will surely improve my future life. I have reached, now I will get down here. I will walk confidently toward my college starting today. I feel proud of my disciplined daily routine. Small habits will bring me success in my future. I will continue this journey with confidence and happiness.